I'm Georgina from the Milford Window Company. I've been forced to come out from behind my desk to do a little talkie. I'm here with our lovely customer, Jane. Hi, Jane.
Hi, Georgie.
So we installed last year, I think it was, some beautiful R9 windows for Jane and Stuart, her lovely husband, who is doing his Spielberg behind the camera. So Jane, I wanted to ask you, firstly, why residents?
Okay, so actually, we have had residence windows before
Okay.
when we renovated our last house up in Norfolk. And we had our nines. We were so pleased with them that we searched for the right company to fit our nines for us in our lovely old cottage.
So brings me to the next question: why the Milford Window Company?
Well, we obviously did our homework
Yeah.
on you
Good.
guys
Ooh.
and looked up your reviews, which were all good.
Good.
So it was partly from the point of view of wanting to have assurance on quality and service, which we absolutely got. But it was also the fact that you guys are local,
Uh-huh.
you understand our village,
Mm-hmm.
you understand what the architecture's like, and we really needed your advice and guidance on whether or not the windows that we thought we'd like would in fact go in the cottage. So it was a blend of those two things. It was quality, but also really good advice and excellent service.
Oh, Jane, I'm so pleased to hear that. And
We love them.
as you can see here with by Jane's bay window, which is so beautiful, Jane and Stuart opted for Painswick, which complements the colour of their cottage. And on the inside, they went for cream, so you can have dual colour. So the cream complements their internal decorations. And I think there was some deliberation, wasn't there, over whether you had a cottage bar or not. Are you
Yes.
pleased you went for the cottage bar?
Absolutely thrilled. We love
Yeah.
the look of these.
So Jane, in in particular, this bay window, I understand it was a tricky customer.
It certainly was. It's an old cottage and these are big windows, and as you can see, they're absolutely beautifully fitted, but it did take quite some skill
Yeah,
and a lot of time to make sure that they were just right.
and I think that's where Tim comes into
Oh,
play.
Tim was just brilliant.
Tim
Yeah.
Scott is a chartered member of the Chartered Institute of Building, so it's kind of a great asset to our business because he understands complexities, like for instance this bay window. So Jane, I think that's pretty much it. But before we go, Jane is an author. She is
I'm
West.
only just an
She
author.
is going to be West Sussex's answer to Ginny Cooper.
Hey.
And I cannot go without asking you to sign my copy.
Oh, of course I will.
So there we go. I'm going to put a link on the bottom so that you can buy yourself a copy of Jane's. I had a little flick through. It's a little bit saucy, Jane.
It is in places.
So
Not based on anyone I know.
so let me know if you want me to do more of these. Give me a shout. This is my first one, but say yes or no, what you like, what you didn't like. I'm open to abuse. Thank you very much.